If you want to protect your domain and improve email deliverability, adding a Dmarc record in Namecheap is one of the most important steps you can take. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add a Dmarc record in Namecheap, step by step, so you can set it up correctly without confusion. If this tutorial helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Let's get into it. First, log into your Namecheap account using your email and password. Once you're inside your dashboard, look at the left sidebar and click on Domain List. This is where all of your registered domains are shown, so if you manage more than one domain, make sure you choose the correct one. Next, find the domain you want to configure with Dmarc. When you see it in the list, click Manage next to that domain. This will open the domain settings page where you can control DNS and other important options. Now, at the top of the settings screen, click the Advanced DNS tab. This is the area where you can add and edit DNS records, like TXT records, CNAME records, and more. Since Dmarc is usually added as a TXT record, this is the section you need. Scroll down until you reach the Host Records section. This is where Namecheap lets you create new DNS entries for your domain. To add a new Dmarc record, click Add New Record. A new row will appear, and from the Record Type dropdown, select TXT Record. Dmarc records are typically stored as TXT records, so this is the correct option for the setup. Now move to the host field and enter _Dmarc. That means type -marc exactly like this, with the underscore at the beginning. This tells DNS that the record is for Dmarc policy checking. In the value field, enter the Dmarc value provided by your email service or DNS provider. This value usually contains the policy instructions for how email servers should handle messages that fail authentication. Make sure you copy the value exactly as your provider gives it to you, because even a small mistake can cause the record to work incorrectly. After that, leave TTL set to automatic. In most cases, you do not need to change this setting. Automatic TTL works fine for standard DNS records and keeps the setup simple. Once everything looks correct, click the check mark to save the record. Namecheap will then add the new TXT record to your DNS zone. Depending on DNS propagation, it may take some time before the change is fully recognized across the internet. And that's it. You've now added a Dmarc record in Namecheap. This is an important step for securing your email domain and helping improve trust with inbox providers. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching.